Hello students, welcome everyone. Welcome to our today's session that is related to our chapter 10, that is circles. In the previous videos we have discussed about our theorem, that is theorem first and second. Now we will discuss the third theorem and our next exercise that is related to our theorem. So what is our third theorem? Just have a look here all of you. Our third theorem is equal chords of a circle are equidistant. Equidistant means at equal distance from the center of the circle. Means in a circle, if two chords are of equal length, okay, what we need to prove that they are at the equal distance means if this is a given circle and AB and CD are equal, we need to prove that OP is equals to OQ. Okay, so what the things are given to us, that also you have to mention. Okay, the things that is given to us. So what is given to us? Given to us that AB, it is equals to CD. Okay, and what we need to prove, we need to prove that OP is equals to OQ. This we need to prove. Now see how we will prove it. First of all, we have joined OB and OD. Okay, with the center O, we have joined B and D. Now, see, two triangles are there. First of all, we are having the triangle OPB and the another one is OQD. So, just see in these two triangles what the things we are having here. So, in this triangle OPB, in this triangle BP, just have a look here, BP, it is equals to half of AB because it is the perpendicular from the center and it bisects the chord, we know it. That's why BP is equals to half of AB. Again, DQ, it is equals to half of CD because perpendicular from the center, it bisects the chord. Now, AB is equals to CD, it is given to us. If the whole is equal, then the half is also equal, so BP is equals to DQ. Okay, and what OB and OD are? They are the radii, so they are equal. Now see, what the things we are having in these two triangles. BP is equals to DQ. Okay, then OB is equals to OD radii. Then we are having these two angles as equals. They 90 degree given to us. That is the reason both triangles are congruent, and the criteria is RHS. By the criteria RHS, both triangles are congruent, and once both triangles are congruent, then the remaining parts are equal. And what are the remaining parts? That is OP and OQ. Okay, so we have proved the theorem that equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center of the circle. Now we are having the converse of this theorem also, that if chords of a circle are at equal distance from the center, then they are equal in length. So same we will prove here. Now in this, what is given to us here, what the change is there, just have a look what the change is there. Just wait, I am telling you what the change we are having here. Here we are having the things that is given to us. It is change. What is given to us? Equidistance means OQ is equals to OP. It is given to us. And what we need to prove? We need to prove that AB is equals to CD. Okay. It is a converse. Okay, now see the similar what we will do in the given triangle. OP is equals to OQ given to us, BD is equals to OD given to us, OD is equals to OD, it is also given to us, and the third thing that we are having, the angle is 90. Okay, now here the criteria is RHS again. So by this criteria the remaining parts are equal, and what are the remaining parts? This BP is equals to CD. Okay, if half of the AB and CD are equal, then whole AB and CD is also equal. So this is the way we have proved the theorem as well as its converse. Okay, now exercise 10.4 is there. So in the next, just go through the link and see the next video. In the next video, we will discuss our exercise, that is exercise 10.4.